2012 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, speed control, 4-piece floor mat set, radio data system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.